Hey guys, today we will be making a really cute and adorable Christmas hair bow. What you will need, I have the mini Bodabra. I have this really pretty ribbon. It's 1.5 inches in width. It's so cute. I have 2 pieces, 14 inches long. I also have this really pretty glitter red ribbon, 5/8 inches in width, and it is also 14 inches long, 1 piece. I have another piece of the glitter ribbon, 4 inches long. This will serve as my center. And then I have another 4-inch long piece, but it's with a ribbon that's 3/8 inches wide. This will cover up my hair clip. I have some bow wire, scissors, and a hot glue gun. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing we are going to do is take our bow wire, fold it in half, and place it down. Then we are going to take our first piece, and you can see this is the right side of the ribbon. This is the wrong side of the ribbon. You're going to have the wrong side facing up. And we're going to scrunch. So with the scrunch, you just fold it in half, bring the front and the back upwards, and place it down. Make a nice loop and do the exact same thing on the other side. Place it down, estimate the center, and then scrunch once more. And since this is the mini Bodabra, you can kind of look at the measurements to see if your loops are similar or close to the same measurement to help you keep it as close as possible. But if it's not 100% perfect, then that's okay. And we will do the exact same thing with our second piece. And if you need to adjust it, just make sure you have your wand in place. Just like that. So cute. Before I use this next piece, I'm going to ribbon cut the ends. So I'm going to fold it in half, open ends at the bottom, the fold at the top, and cut at a diagonal. So I'm going to fold it in half to find the center. Wrong side facing up. We're going to scrunch and then place it down. Now you can have both tails facing downward. I like to have one facing up, one facing down. So we're going to scrunch and place it down, and then scrunch one more time and place it up. Get your wand in place, and then you can maneuver it as much as you need to. So cute. Now we're going to take our bow wire, the 2 open ends inside of the loop, hold the bow in place, and give it a nice tug. And we are going to tie it a couple of times. Now usually if I was planning on placing this bow, like attaching it to something, I would leave the bow wire in place, but I'm not, so I'm just going to cut away the excess. I'm going to take my glitter 4-inch piece, tie it in a knot. Just like that. And it's going right in the center. So I'm just going to take my hot glue gun and just glue it in place all the way around. It looks so cute and adorable, simple and easy to do. Last thing we are going to do is add our hair clip. Alright, so we have our hair clip, our 4-inch long piece, and we are just going to hot glue it all the way down. And we're going to take our bow and we are just going to hot glue it to the back of our bow. And just press it down and you are all done. Quick, easy, simple to do, and it's so cute and adorable. Perfect for a child's hair bow, a pet. You can even put this on a Christmas tree if you'd like. Simple and easy to do. This bow is about 5 inches.